Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Technologies, and today we are back with one more video of Power BI. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a basic presentation in Power BI. So I won't take much of your time. Let me take you to the software. This is going to be your landing page. I will be choosing blank presentation and I'm going to import data from Excel. From downloads, I have few Excel files. I would be choosing one from them. I would be selecting here sheet 1. You can select any sheet, the sheet you want to show in your presentation. This is visualization pane and the adjacent to is data pane. The data has loaded. At the right hand side, you can see here sheet 1 and there are different types of headers, column headers. I have dropped column 10 to x-axis and I'm going to drop column 11 to y-axis. Let me click it. Okay. There are different types of charts. The building charts, you can select from them. In case if this x-axis represent the mark the child can score and the y-axis has all the subjects. So in that way you can see how the child is performing in different subjects. This is also pie chart. You can see this one. In short, these are the ways to visualize the data we have, as we have different types of building charts which we can choose. Here it is small multiples, legions, we have x-axis, y-axis. Here you can also filter out the data. After right clicking, this is the option which are coming. You can select from them. This is home tab which has different options. This is insert. We can even insert data from different sources. This is modeling. This one is view. We have different color options also. So from here, you can select any column. You just simply need to drag and drop it, and then you would be able to see the data nicely. So it's a very basic presentation. It is a very easy way to visualize our complex data. This journey is going to be quite long, so I feel we should always take small steps. I hope you liked today's video and thanks for watching.